A body initially at rest, sliding along the frictionless track from the height h. Just completes a vertical circle of diameter. The height is equal to. So when it is at that point, the potential energy is mgh. Up here also the body is having that energy. When reaches to the lowest point, that potential energy will be equal to kinetic energy. So this is the basic point. Inga potential energy irukappa the lowest point varappo kinetic energy. Enna solran idhula just complete vertical circle. If a body complete vertical circle, the velocity at the lowest point will be, suppose if round adicha, root of pi g r. அப்ப the final velocity எதுக்கு equal pi g r க்கு. R எதுக்கு equal to r is equal to diameter by 2. அப்ப இந்த velocityல என்ன ஆயிரும்னா root of pi g d by 2. இப்ப சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணு. mg நேம் கூட கேன்சல் ஆயிரும். m கேன்சல் ஆயிரும். பேலன்ஸ் என்ன இருக்கு? gh. gh is equal to half into v squared பண்ணிரு. 5 into g into d by 2. சரிதானா? அப்போ g கூட கேன்சல் ஆயிடுச்சு. h வெளியேடு. 5d divided by 4. அப்ப h should be pi by 4 d is that. Anyway, in the question